Good morning. Already had breakfast because we couldn't sleep from around 5:30, I think. So we're now heading to Westport, to the pool. It's gonna be a nice drive. Couple updates into the new world, and we got some decent bread, German rye bread. We just finished swimming. Today we've done 3 sets of 6 lanes, and we're heading to the Denniston Bridal path now. So I've just stood here and read that, and nobody actually liked this track. Magnificent views, and we got a lot of steepness and 600 meters up. And this is the first time we use the mount on the. Maybe I need to use the windbreaker. Right, we sorted the wind slayer, and yeah, this is the first time we actually use that. So far, it's not too bad. I'll show you a video then. So this is now my selfie stick. Yeah, hiking pole combo. See how it works.
Down our paths we wander free, in the shadow of the trees. Cold ice whispers on the breeze. Steps of miners.
That is what the description said, that there's a lot of landslides. But there's a detour. There's some big mushrooms.
Hiking through the ages past, feel their stories in the grass. Every step a shadow cast on the trail that time has passed. Ghostly voices guide our way through the night and into the day. Memories in the earthy clay, where they worked and where they lay. Hear the pickaxes' faint song, feel their struggles linger long. Though the miners now are gone, their spirit still keeps us strong. Hiking through the ages past, feel their stories in the grass. Every step a shadow cast on the trail.
Alright, sweet, thank you, see you later.
Pickaxes faint song, feel their struggles linger long. Though the miners now are gone, their spirit still keeps us strong. Hiking through the ages past, feel their stories in the grass. Every step a shadow cast on the trail that time has passed.
Right, story time. So this entire thing here was constructed because the coal that was mined up there needed to go down there where the rail to the Westport was existent. And in order to get all the coal down there, they built this incline. And it worked the following way. So because the stuff, they had these wagons, and the wagons were full of coal, and in order to get them down, they built this railway across the hillside and essentially put a rope on it and had a big brake drum at the top, and while the fully loaded wagon was going down because of gravity, it would pull up a second empty wagon from, well, just below. So it was genius. So you didn't need any fuel to power this entire thing. And actually there was two inclines, one from the top to the middle and then the second one from the middle to the bottom, and that was because of two reasons. One is that there was no possibility to have one straight railway down the hillside, and the second one is that with two inclines you would be able to have 4 wagons on the incline at the same time rather than just 2. So that's kind of doubled the throughput. Yeah, and up there what we see, or what we didn't see actually, was the ruins of this little settlement up there. Library, butchery, bakery and all the workers. And that burned down because there was a fire in the hotel, which burned down essentially the entire city. $5,000 worth of damage in those times. I forgot the year. But it was constructed in 1878. So this is now the middle break part. Down there, nice. Let's have a wee look. And yeah, up there is the brake head. Down there, the middle brake. Let's have a look. There's also this power pole thing. And I think it's interesting to see all this coal debris still all over the place. Kind of makes the history more touchable. Alright, I thought that the incline viewpoint would be here at the middle break, but it's actually much further up. We're back here now, just a couple 20 minutes down there. The fantail is definitely my favorite bird. It's just so cute and adorable and curious and cute, and it's just makes me smile. And according to the app, spent 3 hours and 30 minutes, and that is including that 20-minute detour to that middle track thing, plus 15 minutes history lesson above, and 5 minutes waiting down here to read the history, and another probably 5 minutes of fantail gazing. And here it says it takes you almost 6 hours. Yeah, nah. Right, we're here. Kohaihai campsite. Pretty nice. And that's where the Heathy track starts. And there's so many wekas here. Saw a chase just earlier. Quite funny. I'll try to cook some fried rice and you guys can see the sunset. How you going? One mate's been standing there for like 5 minutes now. I'm not giving you any food, mate. No. Go away. You don't want any food from me. Good that the sunrise is over, because dinner is almost ready. You would think that this pan is big enough, but you see that we have debris everywhere? Need a bigger frying pan, I think. What do we think? It's surprisingly good. Maybe it's the ginger and the soy sauce that I put in. Alright, I'm gonna finish that and then head to bed. It's a big day tomorrow.